Ready to unleash your creativity? In this step-by-step Canva t-shirt design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into stunning wearable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your t-shirts or your shirt stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get a t-shirt design with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just click over sign up in the top right. We don't have it here because I already signed up, and this is my account. As you can see, you have just to click over the button of sign up, then you have to write your email address and your password, then you get started with Canva. So here we have the pricing of Canva. We have here the free one, design anything and bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. This is the one that we will talk right now or today. Then we have the pro one, unlock premium content, more powerful design tools and AI features. Then we have teams, transform your work, grow your brand and simplify workflows. Then we have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solutions. To more understand, you have just to select one and you have to search it. For example, I will select the free one. And here we have a first thing that you have to know about this one. We have here design made easy and create. You have just to scroll down to more understand. Here we have here the features that you will have after choosing this package or this free one. All right. So let's come back and you have just to click over here and you click over home if you already have an account, and you'll find a page which is this one. So this is the home page of Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible. Right now I will show you how you can get started. As you can see, right now we have here various things like in the left we'll find project, template, brand, application, and dream. And here we have if you want to search for something. For example, let's just searching for t-shirts. Alright. Once you do that, you will find a page which is one we have here a various t-shirts. You can just right now click over see all to just see the t-shirts and to get started designing your t-shirts as well. Right? So here we have it. So as you can see in the top, you'll find here 15,000 templates. Then you have to select the one you want. For example, here we have the pro one and we have the free one. You have to select the free one. Right? So let's just filter in just the free one. So I will just click over filters and I will search, for example, the category that I want. If is it business, if is it also social media, if it's depending to education, video, then marketing, then print products, and also cards and invitations. Then the style also, if it's modern, for example, I will select modern, and we have here also the theme if you want black, pink, clothing, typographic. Then we have the language that you want, the feature, the subject, the topic. If you want the free one or the pro one, I will select of course the free one. Then I will select the black because I like the black one. Then I will click over apply and you will find only the black t-shirts and the free t-shirts with the design that you choose and also the category that you choose. Alright, so I will show you how you can do that. So for example, it's just selecting this one, for example, and you click over customize this template and you'll find other page which is this one. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see, we have here various things. For example, if you want to just delete this one, you have just to click over it and you delete it. Alright, then also here if you want to add a page, if you want to just make the background black or white, you can just select whatever and you design your t-shirt. Alright, so also we have here the design if you want to select other templates. So here we have the results. If you don't like this one, you have just to select another one and you have just to modify it. For example, here we have element if you want to add whatever you want depending to the t-shirt. For example, you select for example dragon, or you select here team football and you add whatever you want on your t-shirt design. Then we have also if you want to add a text and you select also other things like then we have you select the magic white, and if you want to add a hidden, add your print fonts, then we have add a subheading, add a little bit of body text, then we have other things like font combinations, as you can see, win-win, or for example depending to the business. Then we have also brand. So about the brand, if you want to just upgrade to add logos, colors, fonts, print files, photos, graphics, icons, but this one it's pro, you have to pay, then you will get it. Then we have also here uploads. For example, you can just upload files on your computer. For example, I already uploaded these templates. As you can see, you can also record it yourself. You can just click over record yourself and you click over allow, then you get started and you record yourself. Right? So you just to click over record yourself and you get started by recording yourself as well. Right? Then you click over done. If you like it, you have just to save it and exit, or you can just delete it and come back here. Also, we have here draw. If you want to draw for something, for example, here select the color that you want. Also, you can here go and just select the color that you want. Then we have here projects. For example, if you want to just create a folder, and you have just to write the name, and here we have share with your team, and you click over continue, then you share it with your team. Also, we have the option if you want to just add, for example, if you want to add QR code on your t-shirt design. If someone just scan your QR code, he will just find your cooperative or your society and contact with you, then you will just design another t-shirt. All right, so this is for QR code. Then also we have application here for some application. All right, also we have other options here, like we have if you want a file resize editing. Also if you want to just endo, and if you want to redo, then here we have modern typography pop culture t-shirt. Then if you want to try for pro, then also here we have an account. Then we have inside here, and we have also here if you want to just screen page, there's no comment on this comment, you can just add a comment like that, and you have to put emoji if you want, and also mention someone and other things. All right, then also we have here the option of share. So the option of share, you can share it with your friends, with your family. Also, you can make it public on Google. After someone click on your link, he will find it on your dashboard. So for example, I will just click over here public view link. And you have just to click over create public view link. Then here we have it, and you have just to copy it, and then I will paste it here, and then you will find it, as you can see. So let's wait for it, and here we have it, modern typography pop culture. This is the same title. You can just share it with your friends and then or your client as well, right? And then you will find this design. All right, so this is how you can share it on using also social media and other things. All right, also you can just copy the link and you share it, or can also download it, and we have also other options here. So this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started as soon as possible, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.